Let's see how to do yoga.
Did somebody say yoga? Oh, wow, Eddie, come with me. Eddie, I know how to do yoga. This is a tutorial on how to do yoga because I am an athlete, as you can tell by my physique. Okay, I'm a very, very, very good athlete. The first step of yoga, right, really quickly, the first step of yoga, you have to learn your breathing technique. That's how you breathe. That's how you breathe, Eddie. Eddie, do it, Eddie. Next step, okay, step 2. You're already on step 2. I know you're fantastic already. Next step of yoga is you have to pray. You have to pray to Jesus. Eddie, go on. Oh yeah, let me take the phone so then you can pray.
Yeah, this thing.
This is where we get to the exercise routines, okay? So firstly, you have to do some warm-up. Yeah, this is warm-up. You know, in PE, or like, PE, at school, they tell you, hey, before you do the exercise, you have to do the warm-up. It's the same with yoga. So for yoga, if you're doing yoga right now at home, I suggest you follow. If you're not doing yoga, I suggest you follow. Alright, so yogi bear right now, here. So this is the first step. You have to go like this with your foot, okay? So when... Oh, I corrected my leg. You got this, yeah. You got this. Okay, now you got that, and then you go like this, and then you have to stand like this for like 2 seconds because I fell. All right, so let me count. There you go, Eddie. Do you have to be that far away?
Yeah, so I can get the whole body.
Also, the quality is bad because I'm sorry to say this, but I didn't figure out how to get a new camera. Like. The camera's here, right? Then that's the good camera that I use for streams. But obviously, I'm not using that camera. After you do your exercise techniques, what you want to do, right? You want to do some squatting. Okay, now squatting is very important. You have to have like a seat here. This is Eddie's bed. All right, now where you want to go? You see that? You see that? Do you see that? Do you see that right there? Look, let me do it again. You have to T-pose, and you have to go. There you go. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see that right there? You see this? I have a choice: a drink or some wrapped up Sour Patch Kids. Now in the UK, we don't have the blue raspberry. We have black currant. So I'm not eating the Sour Patch Kids today. I'm gonna have this amazing mango passion fruit smoothie brought you by Smoothie Bandits. That's right, I'm sponsored this video because I do not actually have a sponsor. That was just a joke. I'm gonna drink some Smoothie Bandits and I'm gonna rate it. You want some, Eddie?
No, I'm good.
Okay. I have to say that it's very refreshing. Hold on. I have to do some nice focused shots. Look at this. Oh my god. Wait, it's only been 4 minutes.
Yeah. What is this about?
You have to do more warm-ups.
Oh, let's see.
More warm-ups, okay.
More warm-ups.
More warm-ups. Alright, what other warm-ups are there? Oh, there's the thing. This one. You know this one? I did it in the Santa video. Can we have a flashback real quick? Maybe I'm too lazy to do the flashback, but maybe I'm not.
You're not gonna edit that in.
We'll do some exercise. Anyway, there's this one you have to do for like 10 seconds. This one you have to do for another 10 seconds. That's 10 seconds right there. And then you have to what's another warm-up? We haven't even gotten to the yoga yet.
Yeah, I was already spent 4.5 minutes doing warm-ups.
Okay, yoga time. The warm-ups are over. Thank you for doing the warm-ups. I bet you're like pooped out. Now it's time for the epic yoga. This is the warm-up, alright? So you want to go like this. You want to, go like that. Oh! There you go. That's all I got there. That's all I got. Next, after you do that, alright, next yoga is, what the fuck is yoga? I don't even know what yoga is. Okay. Oh, I got it. The next yoga move is, the squat again. But this time, instead of using the bed, you want to use the floor. So you want to go right down to the floor, like this. now you want to drink a bit more because your yoga is like very tiring. Because I'm a yoga teacher, I know a lot about yoga. I know what I'm doing. I just need to how to yoga.
Hey, you got the same video I did.
Oh my god, where is the video? Wait. Okay, here we go. Yoga video. Oh god, it's an ad. We're not sponsored. We're not sponsored. Stop. Okay, I hope they don't mind me using this. Thank you, Yoga with Adrian. Adrian. Here we go. So she's sitting in that position. I obviously can do that. Stop. Sorry, Adrian. Sorry, Adrian. She's breathing. Do some yoga. What is that? She's. There you go. Like this. You have to go like this. Like you see this? You got like that. Ah, very good. Yeah. What's she doing? A doggy. Alright, I can do this. I can do this. Let me go all the way back. Alright, you see this? You have to sit. Hang on. I have a great idea.
Oh no, don't do that. Okay.
There you go. That's this. This is good good warm up for like your legs. You got this? See that? Oh, you stretch the hamstrings. These are the hamstrings. You see this? The hamstrings. Don't lose balance or else you'll fall. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh, no, we got this. We got that. Oh my god, the doggy. Oh my god. Yes. I could do that without the sitting part. Let me just like. That's so easy. Now we have to take a drink to relax.
Thank you, Smoothie Madness.
Let me just skip this part. Like, can we have something that's standing? It's just sitting. It's just sitting. Is yoga just sitting? She's standing. Well, that was a weird technique. Wait, that was a weird technique. Do you see this with her hands? Do you see that? Do you...
Yeah, I see it. I don't
the
know.
Hands.
Yeah, I see it,
God,
but I
that's
don't
so
get
cool.
it.
This is a yoga technique. Look at this. Oh! Finally something that is yoga and I can do it. Oh my god. What an interesting technique. Alright, maybe it's getting easier. There's some standing stuff now. What's she doing? She's like... Oh my god, we forgot about that! Oh, okay, we have to do that real quick. See this? You got this.
I don't think it's that aggressive.
You have to go like this very slowly.
Can I break your neck, dude?
Very slowly. Like that. I'm a bit dizzy right now. Alright, now you have to go the other way. Just go the other way. Very slowly. 10 times. I'm at 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't do that. Don't do it that far. Eddie's very sad right now because look at this.
Yeah, I have a.
Look at that right here.
The golden cookie.
You want to see this golden cookie right here? We have to click it. Hold on, let me get the mouse. Where is it?
Click it for me, please. Click it for me.
There it is.
Click it for me. Click it.
Eddie. Let me click it. I'm gonna click it right now. Watch this.
Oh my god. Tough.
I'm gonna click the golden cookie. This is part of the yoga session.
Oh.
That's over. What's she doing? Oh, that was a good technique actually. Here we go. Put your like arms on your sides. Very part. There's much part. Put your arms on your sides. You got this. Go like that. And now you are T-posing. But now you have to reverse your arms. Go like this. We have to watch the ending of this. Breathe. That's what I was talking about. Remember at the start of the video, I was talking about breathing techniques. Literally. And praying to God. Oh my god, Eddie, quickly, look at what she's doing. She's breathing and she's praying to God. This is exactly what I was talking about. That's exactly what I was talking about. Hold on, let me do it right now. She's actually doing something. What is this? What is she doing? She's just standing. That's basically what I did right at the start of the video. She's just doing what I did at the start of the video. What the fuck? She's doing the bad. I put on subtitles. How did I do that?
I don't know.
What did I press? C. C is subtitles. Did you know that?
Wow, that's bad.
Look what. Look, zoom in on the keyboard, Eddie. Look at this. I didn't zoom in on the screen. That was a great session, guys. I have to say, I have to commend you on your hard work, because this is a how-to video. I'm here to try and teach you guys how to live your lives, alright? Because school doesn't really teach you shit. School is, like, last episode we were doing maths, and school, like, they teach maths, but not in a way that makes it really easy for you. Like, that session was so easy. I got all the questions correct. Eddie can confirm.
He didn't.
Anyway, this episode was mainly about yoga, because they teach you about PE and your neck thing and your leg thing, but they don't teach you to do proper yoga. So I was here to teach you, and I have a drink. Smoothie Madness by Dax Flame. It's a good show. Very awkward. I'm gonna drink a smoothie now, and I'm gonna leave because I'm done with the yoga. And I hope you have a great day. Subscribe! Subscribe!